Namaskar. Nitric oxide is one of the most critical molecules in our body. Your heart health, blood pressure, immunity, brain health, and blood circulation all are connected to nitric oxide. Today, I am going to share a powerful technique to enhance nitric oxide production in your body. And this technique is Bhramari Pranayama. It is an humming pranayama. When you hum during Brahmari, you create vibrations in your nasal passage. These vibrations stimulate the inner linging of our nasal passage, enhancing the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide then enters your bloodstream, helping to dilate the blood vessels, making it easier for your body to transport oxygen more efficiently to your muscles and different organs, giving you more energy and enhancing overall performance of your life. It also promotes healthy communication between cells, contributing to better brain function and overall well-being. It is a very important molecule in our body. So let us see how to do Bhramari Pranayama. Starting position is do preliminary conditioning, either in Sukhasana or any meditative posture. Sit on a firm ground. It could be chair with erect back. You can take chair if unable to sit on the floor. Keep the body straight, spine straight, head straight, eyes focused straight. Now let's understand the steps. Keep the mouth closed throughout the practice. After a deep inhalation, start exhaling. Make a sound of humming B slowly, smoothly, and continuously in a controlled manner. The sound need not be loud, but should create vibrations. Practice 5 rounds, but take a pause in between each round. This pranayama is safe for everybody. So here it has to be like that. Breathe in fully, and now with a controlled manner, create a sound. It can go on as long as you can create sound, and after the sound doesn't come, still try and breathe out completely, putting your stomach in. So this is a very systematic way of doing Brahmari. Then take a long breath in, wait for some time, and again start. Brahmari helps relax the blood vessels, which lowers the blood pressure and reduces the strain on heart. The vibration from the humming sound activates parasympathetic nerves, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Practice this pranayama every day and see the change in your body as well as in the state of your mind. Namaskar.